Welcome to Lesson 3 of Microsoft Word 2019 Essential Training in Nigerian Pidgin. For this lesson, I will show you the Backstage view and in various commands. To enter the Backstage view, click or tap File for here. This is now the home of Microsoft Word 2019 Backstage view. From the Backstage view, you fit perform many tasks wey I go show you later on for this course. This na the back button. The back button will take you back to where you been dey edit your document before. This na the new button. The new button na where you go click if you want create a new blank document from a blank or pre-formatted template. The template means say already made document wey you fit use as guideline to sharply get your work ready. This na the open button. The open button na where you go click if you wan open the document wey you don create and save before inside your computer or other storage device. The info command. This na where you go see and add information about your documents and also where you go fit take protect your document. The save command. This na the command where you go take save your new document or to keep to the save your document as you dey edit your document. The save as command. This command will help you resave and to rename your document or document where you don't save before. The print command. This na the command where you go take print out your document and to see the document them even before you print them out. The share command. This na the button where you fit take share your documents with your colleagues for office or your team members. The export command. This button for here na the button where you fit take export your document as PDF or other file formats. The transform command. This button na the button where you fit take use transform your document into a web page. The close command na button where you go click if you don't finish your work. The account button. The account button na where you fit take change your office, the Microsoft background, the office theme, and where you go see the Microsoft Word version where they use, activate your Microsoft Word and update your Microsoft Word. The feedback button na button where you go use if you want send feedback to Microsoft. The option button na button where you go click if you want customize various commands and tools for inside Microsoft Word 2019. Alright, this is now the end of lesson 3 of Microsoft Word Essential Training in Nigerian Pidgin. The next lesson we will talk about how you go take create your document, how you go take save your document, how you go take open the document, how you go take save as, and also how you go take close the document. As I talked before, I'm going to take all the lessons small, step by step, so that our people, when they watch this tutorial, will feel they understand them bit by bit, small. To follow up on this course, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Search for Kevin Omoko. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page at Kevin Omoko and at Pidgin Tutorials. Thank you for watching.